Hello and welcome to our guide on business process mapping. I am Thamizharasu, business coach. In today's fast-paced business environment, having streamlined and efficient processes is the cornerstone of success. If you are aiming to optimize your workflow, then you are in the right place. So let's get started.
1. The essentials of business process mapping. First off, let's understand what business process mapping is. It's a technique used to visualize your workflows in a way that is easy to understand and analyze. This visualization allows you to see the bigger picture, enabling your team to understand how individual tasks combine to create the end product or service. 2. Key components and symbols in business process mapping. Business process maps are made up of various components and symbols, each representing different steps, flows, or decisions. Understanding these symbols is essential for accurate and efficient mapping. You have arrows for direction, rectangles for tasks, diamonds for decisions, and much more. 3. Types of business process maps and their uses. Next, we will explore the different types of process maps. From simple flowcharts to complex value stream maps, each type has its unique use and benefits. Knowing when to use which map can greatly enhance your process analysis and improvements. 4. How to create an effective business process map, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's get practical. I'll guide you through the steps of creating an effective business process map. We'll start by identifying the process, defining the boundaries, and then detailing the steps. With patience and practice, you'll soon master the art of process mapping. 5. Best practices for business process mapping. Of course, to get the most out of your process maps, you should follow some best practices. These include keeping your maps simple and easy to understand, using the appropriate level of detail, involving your team in the mapping process, and reviewing and updating your maps regularly. 6. The role of business process mapping in strategic planning. Process mapping isn't just about improving efficiency, it's a strategic tool. It can support your strategic planning by providing a clear understanding of your current processes, helping identify areas for improvement, and setting a baseline for measuring progress. 7. Benefits and challenges of business process mapping. Business process mapping comes with numerous benefits like improved efficiency, enhanced communication, better training capabilities, and so on. However, it's not without challenges, including the potential for overcomplexity and the need for regular updates. Understanding both sides will help you make the most of your process mapping efforts. 8. Case study: transforming businesses through process mapping. Let's now look at how a real business benefited from process mapping. We'll explore their initial situation, how they used process mapping to identify and address their challenges, and the results they achieved. It's a compelling illustration of the power of process mapping. 9. How business process mapping enhances workflow efficiency. Business process mapping directly influences workflow efficiency. By identifying bottlenecks, unnecessary steps, and potential improvements, a well-crafted process map can pave the way to streamlined operations and improved productivity. 10. The impact of business process mapping on operational excellence. The impact of process mapping extends to operational excellence as well. It provides a systematic framework for analyzing and improving your operations, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and achieving excellence in all aspects of your business. 11. Using business process mapping to identify and eliminate bottlenecks. Among its many uses, process mapping is an excellent tool for identifying and eliminating bottlenecks. By providing a visual representation of your processes, it makes it easy to spot areas where work is getting stuck or delayed, allowing you to take prompt corrective action. 12. Navigating deeper waters, advanced techniques in business process mapping. If you're ready to take your process mapping to the next level, we've got you covered. We'll introduce some advanced techniques like swim lane diagrams and value stream mapping, which offer a more detailed view of your processes and even greater opportunities for improvement. 13. Tools and software for business process mapping, a comparative analysis. To make your process mapping easier and more effective, there are several digital tools and software you can use. We'll compare some of the most popular ones, including Lucidchart, Microsoft Visio, and Bizagi, to help you choose the one that's right for you. Harnessing the power of business process mapping for business success. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering business process mapping. Remember, process mapping is not just a tool, but a pathway to efficiency, productivity, and business success. So why wait? Start mapping your processes today and chart your journey to success. Thank you for joining us in this informative session. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, here's to your success.